Hello and welcome to Crypto Craze, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in cryptocurrency news and education. Have you been keeping an eye on Quant? This innovative cryptocurrency has been making waves in the decentralized communication space since its launch in 2018, and 2022 was a bullish year for the token. But what about the future? Can Quant hit the $1,000 mark in 2023? Let's dive into the details. First, let's talk about what makes Quant unique. QNT is the first cryptocurrency to create a blockchain operating system called Everledger, which connects different blockchains without compromising on efficiency. This allows for the development of maps or multi-chain applications that operate across multiple blockchains and cross-blockchain smart contracts. This groundbreaking technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and transact in the blockchain space. Now, let's talk about the numbers. Quant has experienced some dips like many other cryptocurrencies, but the beginning of 2023 saw QNT soar in price. And while it may not hit $1,000 in 2023, according to analysts and traders, it may be possible to reach this price point by 2030. But that doesn't mean there isn't potential for gains in the short term. Quant's QNT token operates on different layers for different purposes, with the primary function of removing barriers encountered on blockchains during communication. And with several major exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, BingX, and most notably Bybit offering QNT for purchase, the accessibility of this token has only increased. Another factor that could drive QNT's price growth is the increasing popularity of cryptocurrencies in general. As more people become interested in cryptocurrencies, the demand for QNT and other coins could continue to rise. This could lead to higher trading volumes and greater liquidity, which would support QNT's price growth. Investors should also keep an eye on the developments and partnerships that Quant is forging. These could be a game changer for the price of QNT. For example, in 2022, Quant partnered with Oracle to integrate Everledger with Oracle's blockchain cloud service. This could significantly expand the use cases of QNT, potentially driving up its demand and price. Quant's Everledger technology and multi-chain applications have the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate and transact in the blockchain space. While $1,000 in 2023 may be a stretch, the long-term potential for growth is certainly there. So keep an eye on QNT and consider adding it to your crypto portfolio. For our next story of the day. If you're a Roblox fan, you'll want to listen up because the popular game has just introduced a new line of digital wearables known as limiteds. Now, before you go thinking these are just like any old NFTs, there are a few key differences that make them worth talking about. First off, limiteds are primarily in-game cosmetics, like hats, skins, and toys that players can purchase and resell in secondary markets. And here's where it gets interesting. A portion of each sale goes to the item's creator, just like with NFTs in Web3. This means that creators have a financial incentive to make high-quality items that will continue to sell well on the secondary market. But let's get one thing straight. Limiteds are not on the blockchain. This means that they're not quite as secure as NFTs and don't benefit from the same interoperability that blockchain technology provides. However, they still represent a significant step forward for Roblox and its players. What's really cool about limiteds is that they offer an incentive for reselling. And we all know that anything that offers an incentive to resell is worth taking a closer look at. But while Roblox is certainly embracing the dynamic environment that NFTs allow, it's clear that the game is not entirely devoted to diving headfirst into the world of NFTs and the blockchain. Other gaming companies such as Ubisoft and Square Enix have already dived into Web3 gaming via their own projects. For example, Symbiogenesis is gaining an online following with daily updates revealing the lore behind its mysterious setting. So what does this all mean for savvy crypto investors? Well, it's clear that the world of gaming is starting to embrace the potential of NFTs and the blockchain. While Roblox's limiteds may not be true NFTs, they still represent a significant development for the game and its players. And with more and more gaming companies starting to experiment with NFTs and blockchain technology, it's worth keeping an eye on this space. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll see NFTs that are even more secure and interoperable than what we have now. And if that happens, savvy investors who have been paying attention to the gaming world will be in a prime position to capitalize on this exciting new technology. Really quick, guys. It's worth noting that I am not a certified financial or investment advisor by profession. This video should not be taken as financial or investment advice. For our last story of the day, we've got some exciting news in the world of DeFi. Nolus, an interoperable application on Cosmos, has secured a whopping $2.5 million in pre-seed and seed funding to tackle inefficiencies in DeFi money markets. The big question now is, how will this benefit savvy crypto investors like you? Well, Nolus has developed a novel DeFi lease solution that unlocks the full potential of crypto money markets by reducing the industry's steep over-collateralization requirements, resulting in significantly improved capital efficiency and much more favorable lending options for users. This means that you could potentially earn more yield on your deposited stablecoins while borrowing more assets than your current equity at lower risk and retained ownership. But how does it work? The Nolus DeFi lease provides up to 150% financing on the initial investment with a lowered margin call risk and access to the underlying leveraged assets through whitelisted yield-bearing strategies. And with the added support of liquid staking derivatives, the Nolus protocol will create a cornerstone use case for LSDs for the Cosmos ecosystem in the form of self-repaying loans. Now, you may be wondering about the technology behind this innovative solution. The protocol utilizes a semi-permissioned POS blockchain built using the Cosmos SDK and a WASM smart contract engine that executes in an isolated sandbox model focused on interoperability, security, and performance. This means that you can expect maximum security, speed, and efficiency when using Nolus. But what about the investors behind Nolus? The recently concluded $20 million valuation seed funding is backed by big names in the industry such as DoraHacks, Everstake, Cogitant Ventures, Token Metrics Ventures, and Autonomy Capital, among others. And with advisory board members like Zaki Manian, Strangelove, and Shane Molador, Nolus is sure to solidify its cross-chain presence. Interoperability is at the core of Nolus's offering, as the protocol utilizes IBC and interchain accounts to tap into a diverse set of liquidity hubs without creating fragmentation across chains. This means that you can easily access a diverse set of liquidity hubs without any hassle. Make sure to comment down below what video you would like to see next, and hit the like button if you learned something new or found the information useful. Also, please consider subscribing if you like this type of content. That's all for now. Until next time, guys.